Magellanic Cloud Limited is making headlines by recommending a dividend of Rs 0.15. Mark your calendars for the payment due on or before the 30th of October. And don't forget the record date on the 23rd of September 2023. Prakash Industries Limited is currently in the process of determining what shareholders deserve for the final dividend, just in time for their AGM scheduled for the 30th of September. Circle the date the 20th of September 2023 for the record date. Apex Frozen Foods Limited is about to unveil what shareholders are entitled to in terms of dividends, alongside their AGM on the 30th of September. Get ready for action on the 23rd of September 2023, which is the record date. Sigachi Industries Limited is causing a stir by initiating a stock split from 10 rupees to rupee 1 at a 10:1 ratio. Excitement is building as they've set the record date for the 9th of October 2023. Pressman Advertising Limited is shaking up the market with a groundbreaking scheme of arrangement with Signpost India Limited. Mark your calendar for the record date on the 22nd of September 2023. And remember that the scheme becomes effective on the 9th of September 2023. Cupid Limited is offering an exclusive opportunity to shareholders with an open offer at a price of 325 rupees. Keep in mind that the current market price is 394. Krishna Paper Mills Limited is preparing for their next big move. They're all set to consider a proposal for a rights issue on the 16th of September. Get ready for some exciting financial maneuvering. Govind Poi Oxygen Limited is deliberating a delisting proposal by BSE on the 16th of September. The stakes are high, so stay tuned for this pivotal decision. Thanks for watching. Please thumbs up if you like, subscribe, press the bell icon and never miss an update. Share and comment your thoughts on the comment section. And stay tuned with Corporate Actions India.